Hi everyone, it's Mr. Hopman here with a quick tutorial on how to make scatter plots easily in Google Sheets. It turns out that Google's updated the interface since the good videos have been posted on YouTube, and so those good videos are no longer good. I've made up a quick set of data here. It's obviously fake because it's so nice and perfect, but for our purposes what we need is to enter our volumes. Those are going to be our independent variables along the horizontal axis in one column like this. So I've got the volumes for a fake freshwater experiment, and I've got the volumes for a fake saltwater experiment. The masses, those are going to be our dependent variables, they have to go in separate columns. So my freshwater data is going to go right there, and my saltwater data is right there. Now what we can do, if we've got it arranged this way with the independent variable there and our dependent variables in the other columns, is just select the data and then insert a chart. Google Sheets assumes that you want some kind of chart. Usually it's the wrong assumption. We need to change the chart type to a scatter plot, and you see that we have a very nice scatter plot with the correct legend. So the legend is coming from row 1 by default. Our data range is the range that we selected. If we uncheck use row 1 as headers, we can see that our x-axis is coming from column A. One series of y values is coming from column B. The other series is coming from column C. If we turn on use row 1 as headers, what we see is nice labels there. We might want to add a trend line, so let's add a trend line to the freshwater data. So what we want to do is customize. We're going to customize one of the series, and it's going to be just the freshwater. We're going to add a trend line, and it's useful to see the equation. So we'll add a label and put use equation in there. So now we see the equation right there, and we can read off the slope and the y-intercept. If we want to make a fully correct graph, we should add labels. So we should have chart and axes labels. The horizontal axis title should be volume, and that's in milliliters. And the vertical axis title should be mass, and that's in grams. And that's a good chart with a trend line. I'll leave it to you to add a trend line to the other one. You do it in the same way. Go to series and then customize the saltwater series. So hopefully this helps, and if it doesn't work, talk to me. So see you tomorrow.